Yo guys, what's going on? My name is David from Saber Freaks, and we're testing today from Theory Sabers. This is a Profi board, also has smooth swing. It's gonna be real nice. So let's test all the sound fonts. Let's get started. Dude, this looks so real. It looks like I have a, oh my god. Oh. Smooth swing is really nice. The clashes. You can also do clash. So it's like every small movement you make picks it up. Yeah, it's really nice. This looks more like orange in the video, but in real life it looks actually more red. This is one of my favorite ones. Look how bright it is. This is insane. Look at the sound. Wow. Look how bright it is. This is insane. Woohoo! Overall, I would say this is a really good saber. I was so happy when I received it, and it just feels absolutely amazing. So I definitely recommend getting this one.